What is happening with Iran war and drone attacks in Saudi Arabia and UAE? 2026. What is happening with the Iran war and recent drone attacks in Saudi Arabia and UAE? Tensions are skyrocketing with threats and attacks that could reshape Middle East stability right now. On May 18, 2026, former President Donald Trump publicly threatened Tehran, escalating already high tensions between the U.S. and Iran. This statement comes against the backdrop of a volatile geopolitical climate in the Middle East, where any provocative rhetoric can lead to swift consequences. Trump's threats signal a potential hardening of U.S. posture towards Iran, increasing the risk of conflict in the region. On the same day, both Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates reported drone attacks. These incidents mark a significant escalation as drones have become a preferred tool for proxy conflicts in the region. The attacks have heightened fears of retaliation and a possible widening of the conflict beyond Iran's borders. Both countries are critical U.S. allies, and these strikes put additional pressure on international diplomatic efforts. The combination of Trump's threats and drone attacks in Saudi Arabia and the UAE creates a dangerous cocktail that could destabilize the Middle East further. These events risk igniting wider military confrontations and disrupt global oil supplies, affecting economies worldwide. Regional powers are now on high alert, and diplomatic channels are under immense strain to prevent further escalation. In the immediate future, watch for diplomatic efforts to de-escalate tensions between the involved parties. Any further drone strikes or military responses could trigger a chain reaction. Additionally, U.S. policy statements and responses from Iran will be critical indicators. International actors may push for negotiations to avoid a full-blown conflict, but the situation remains volatile. What this means for you is that global energy markets, travel safety, and international security could be affected by these developments. Staying informed helps you understand how these distant conflicts might impact your daily life and economy. Subscribe to Daily Q&A for real-time updates on this breaking story and other urgent global issues.